Okay, hello. I'm back. And oh, I think I can actually see my recording device working after days and days and days. So, it's been a couple of days, few days since I last went back onto this. This is the ATX chess game, and more details on it. For right now, I'm just gonna go back at looking at the difficulty levels and their corresponding grid sizes to account for each unit's abilities and extension of range. Now, essentially, if you remember, basically, you start out with a 21 by 20 grid. Each player gets 6 attackers and 4 defenders. And going into the next level, you have a low-medium setting. You have 23 by 22. Each person now has 6 of each unit, and ranges extend new abilities. But if you think about it, I think I showed you this before, that looks kind of funky when you really consider the true size of that. Because this, right here, is, as you can see in the top left corner right there, 21R by 20C, that's 21 rows by 20 columns. That's on easy difficulty. Okay, level 1 difficulty, as it says 2 rows below me, underneath the cursor. And that's a 21 row by 20 column thing for level 1. Think how that looks in relation to how, let's get that back. Consider your sizes. Whoa. So, from there, I want to show you something. If this is 21 by 20, and according to what I have here, low medium, you get a 23 by 22 for the next one. It's 23 by 22. Well, what's that look like, Travis? Well, let's see. 21 by 22. Quit screwing with me. So take AI. Let's see. I want 23. 23 by 20. I think I had like 2 or something. Can't really remember. What the heck? 2 and 12. Okay then, so 2 and 12. Consider that size. Consider the following. Just kidding. Okay, so I want 23. By oh geez, come on, what's wrong with this thing? Maybe I have to. Well, aren't you going to be such a butt? Oh my god. No, off. Okay, this is going to take me a while. Of course, this recording software, Screencast-O-Matic, does not make it very easy to go back and make things like Skyda's Minecraft and Pulsar's Jr. can do with theirs, which I believe is Fraps is another one. Yeah, Fraps 99. I tried that. I had to uninstall that amongst all my recording software choice. I reinstalled this, and then I got screwy. Whoa. Interesting. Got screwy with me. So I had to uninstall all my software. Recording software, I mean. Oh my god. Thank you. So yeah. Not a very fun day that night. It's like midnight almost. I've been working on that for hours, trying to make progress, trying to get a couple of videos up, hoping desperately that I could make some, but no. If recording software is bad, you are not in luck, especially me, because if you're me, it's like everything I touch dies. Everything I touch gets crappy. and I don't like when things get crappy. Okay then. So we have, let's see, what is this? 23 by 22, right? Let's quickly make that all borders. It's a little easier to identify. So, 23 by 22. Yes, it is 23 by 22. Look at that, how that looks compared to your other boards. They were kidding me. Ugh. Stuff I gotta deal with. Okay then. Well, people are loud outside my dorm. Anyways, okay. I don't know how much. I think I got a fair amount of time left. It's only 10:25 at night, and I am tired, and I have an upset stomach or something. Here's a tip: do not eat. Don't eat anything. Don't eat a burger at George Mason University at Southside with no cheese plus tomatoes on it, cucumbers on it, ketchup, along with eating a bunch of cucumbers plus the buns for the burger. And oh geez, man, that plus chicken, whatever that chicken was, man, that, oh, I swear I must have screwed up my stomach. It's not fun at all. This is not going to be easy. Oh jeez, you can't be kidding me. Okay. This is really stupid. Before this thing would do all this crap for me. Can't they just do the formatting for me, please? Pretty please. Oh my god. This is so stupid. Jeez Louise, man. Not even kidding. I would do the work prior to these videos, but please understand, it is hard doing this and having Calculus 2 homework at the same time. That is extremely time consuming. I am still working on it. Every day I'm working probably 3 hours to do 4 questions. It's not fun. It really isn't, my friends. There you go. Okay, finally. So look at the size difference here. Okay, let's go and just make this fat butt here 2 pixels, 19 pixels. Okay. So look at the size. Okay, all I did was increase the columns, right? So this is 22 columns. This is not 22 columns. It is instead 20 columns. So I increased the column size by 2, row size by 2. What does that produce? It looks, well, if you haven't put it together, let's see, 22 divided by 2 is 11. So 12th row, I believe, would be the middle. Let's see. It's 2 rows. Okay, so if I can find the 12th row. Okay, I believe this is the oh, mutton chops, I don't know. Okay, so that makes, if you do the math, what you should get is 11 here and 11 there. Because 11 plus 11 plus 1 equals 23. And you know what? I don't think I did that right. Let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's good there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, okay, no, I did that right. I don't know, it just didn't look proportional to me for my angle. Anyways, so yes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Think about here, we get 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if we do that again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, well, easier way to do this is we have 22, right? So just go in 11. 11, there you have it. Make that thick, and then just do the usual. What did we do before? We went middle, and then we went 1, 2, 3 out. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. We said thick box and merge, and then we did it again for the next row in front. Yeah, I don't know what it is I ate truly, but something tells me it's what I ate a little while ago. I think I finished eating my pseudo dinner. Well, I guess it was an extremely late dinner, really. Oh, I forgot to merge this. Okay, so there you have it. Merge the center of that thing. Now look at the relationship difference. Okay, if you take what I do, what happens in range extension and new abilities gained. Okay, very simply put, on standard, on the easy mode, all you get is standard, really. Okay, just because it's a small map still, and you have quite some range, nonetheless. You have a 5x5 unit grid, right, for standards, let alone Mega or Champion. Granted, yes, they are still 5x5, but look at the capabilities. Mega gets a diagonal gain and is just simply put more powerful. It has attack power of 2. So if you consider half range here makes sense. This would be full 1 range, full 1 range, full 1 range, and full 1 range. Okay, so it's like half X plus half X, okay, equals 1X, if you get the idea. Now, continuing that, Champion, it doesn't really do much. It just gains the ability of rotation. That's what big R means, rotate. And then R, small R is range, and R is new range, to oversimplify, essentially. So yeah, okay. So in other words, what really is going on in here is, I should really specify range extension. It's not really new abilities, it's rather, very simply put, it's, next level units. Level unlocked. There we go. Next level unlocked. Okay. Now, if you think about what you can do, okay, it's fine and dandy if you increase the size of the board by 2 columns and 2 rows, but if you're not extending the range really, you're just adding different angles of range, I would think it'd be safe. So, I think the fun of the game would be kept, kind of. But when you're thinking about medium difficulty and you have 25 by 25, that's a lot. Especially when you have 8 units and 6 defenders. 8 attackers, 6 defenders, I mean, and more abilities. More abilities? Not more abilities. It's very simply put, is just range extension. Or actually, sorry, not range. Yeah, it is range extent. No, it's just, it is simply put, new ability gained. Next level unlocked, plus new ability, not Jew ability, new ability. That was a typo, if you don't know that already. I don't think I have a whole lot of time left, but I think I have a few minutes. No, that was me burping, excuse me. Okay, Now, key thing to note, if you